Namaskar, Vande Mataram. As the India dawns to celebrate its 79th Independence Day, we as scholars believe patriotism is more than a feeling. It's a value that must be nurtured in young hearts. For an entire week, we relive the past, remember the sacrifices of our brave freedom fighters, and reflect on the blessings of the freedom we enjoy today. Through engaging activities, stories, celebrations, we inspire our students to carry forward the pride, gratitude, and responsibility of being true. In this video, you will be watching all the things we did to celebrate India as an India Week celebration. Celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our great nation. I feel immense pride not only as an Indian but as an educator who sees the spirit of India alive in the eyes of our young learners. 79 years ago, on this very day, the tricolor rose high above the Red Fort for the first time, marking the end of centuries of colonial rule. It was not a gift, it was earned through sweat, sacrifice, and courage of countless men and women, some whose names we read in history books and many whose names history never recorded. किसी ने डांडी यात्रा चली, किसी ने तलवार उठाई, किसी ने गीत लिखे आज़ादी के, किसी ने कुर्बानी निभाई। लहू से रंग गए रास्ते आसमान ने देखा था, एक सपना था भारत का जो हर दिल ने देखा था। वंदे मातरम की गूंज में एक जुनून सा छाया था, हर गांव हर शहर ने आज़ादी का दीप जलाया था। They dreamt of free India where justice, equality and opportunity would be the birthright of every citizen. They faced bullets with silence, jails with dignity and hardships with hope. That spirit of resilience is the foundation on which our country stands today. आज का भारत बदल रहा, तरक्की की नई उड़ान है, रॉकेट आसमान छूते हैं, सपनों का आसमान है। मगर आज़ादी का मतलब सिर्फ परचम लहराना नहीं, सच्चाई, ईमानदारी और फ़र्ज़ निभाना भी है। यहाँ यह स्कूल ही तो है जहाँ देश की नींव रखी जाती है, किताबों से ज़्यादा इंसानियत की तालीम दी जाती है। India today is one of the largest democracy in the world, a land of innovation, culture and diversity. We are making strides in technology, science, space exploration and education. But freedom is not just about celebrating once a year, it is about living with integrity, respecting our fellow citizens, protecting our environment, and ensuring that progress reaches every corner of our country. As students, your role is crucial. You are not just learners of mathematics or literature. You are learners of values, empathy, and responsibility. The choices you make today, how you treat your classmates, how you respect your teachers, how you work hard without shortcuts. These are the seeds of the India you will inherit. The India of tomorrow is being shaped in the classroom like ours. Imagine an India free of discrimination, where technology serves humanity, where farmers prosper, cities are clean and villages are empowered. Imagine an India where kindness and courage walk hand in hand. That vision is not the responsibility of the government alone. It is a mission for all of us. Here in our school community, we practice the India we want to see. सोचो एक भारत जहाँ हर दिल एकता का गीत गाए, जहाँ ना भूख हो ना भय हो, हर आंगन फूल खिलाए, जहाँ विज्ञान से जीवन सुधारे, खेत सोना उगले और हर बच्चा शिक्षा से अपने सच्चे सपने खुद लिखे। वो भारत हम बनाएंगे छोटी छोटी आदतों से, सच बोल के, मेहनत करके और एक दूसरे को अपनापन देके। By celebrating each other's differences with respect, by innovating in our projects and thinking creatively, by being honest, compassionate and disciplined. Students, our past gave us freedom, our present gives us responsibility, and our future gives us hope. On this Independence Day, let us pledge not only to love our country, but to build it in our actions, in our words, and in our hearts. चलो मिलकर कसम खाएं, हम अपनी मिट्टी को महकाएंगे। जो बापू भगत रानी ने सोचा, जो बापू भगत रानी ने सोचा, उस भारत को सजाएंगे। ना कभी झुकेंगे, ना कभी रुकेंगे, हम नए भारत का दीप जलाएंगे। Let every day in school be a rehearsal for the India we dream of. जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम।